I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors and interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. Any advice on how to handle young children, kindergarten age, who habitually lie? Whatever you do, don't take it personally. Remember, lying is not disrespect. Lying is refusal. When people lie, the function of that is almost always to avoid a consequence, to not take responsibility, or to wiggle out of something, or maybe you're just frightened and you don't know what to do. So your first response is to lie. I must lie. I must have done something wrong. So I'll figure out how to get out of it. So it's a refusal. So what I would do with a young kiddo, if I know it's a lie, and they say to me, I'll use an example like, I know they took the blue markers and put them in their desk so nobody else could have the blue markers. And they come to me and they say, I didn't do it. I didn't take blue markers. No, I saw Philip take the blue markers. My response to that might be, okay, we're not going to use blue markers today, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to have everybody check their desk to make sure they didn't accidentally put the blue markers in there. And then, of course, the blue markers are going to come out and you solve the problem. So be careful with little kids who lie because it is a refusal. It's not always meant to kind of be vindictive, if you will. And if you think it is, then you're going down the disrespect ladder. I found a little book here that I'm going to share with you on that I think is kind of on that vein. It's one of my favorites. It's called But It's Not My Fault. All right. If you've seen this book, it's a children's book written by Julia Cook. It's Not My Fault. And throughout the whole story, it talks about a little boy who, no matter what they say, he blames somebody else. So that's another form of refusal. So in some ways, he's kind of lying. So these are good tools for us to use in our classroom because what lying is a lack of responsibility, which is a lack of confidence, which is often a lack of trust with the adult that you're connected with. So if you think of it that way, it makes more sense. And then you might be able to deal with the lying in a better way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.